welcome back. This week we are going to be working on 3 main skills. The first skill is ordering decimals. We talked about ordering decimals a little bit last week in class. So the key words are ascending and descending. Today we have 3 decimals: 6 and 278 thousandths, 62 and 375 thousandths, and 623 and 7 tenths. And our goal is to put them in order according to the directions. So first let's put them so that all the decimal points line up. So now that we've lined up our decimals, from class you know that we add our zeros for place values. So there needs to be a 0 here, a 0 here, a 0 here, a 0 here, and a 0 here. Now all of the decimals have exactly the same number of digits. So we start from the left and work our way to the right. So if we look at the first row, we see 006. So we know this one is the biggest. So I'm going to put a little note to myself that this is the largest. And so now we compare these two. And from here I look at the next number and I have 06. Well, 0 is definitely smaller, so I know that this is the smallest. And those are just my little notes that I take to help me keep up. But now we need to put them in order. So we're going to first put them in ascending order. I remember ascending means from least to greatest. So the smallest number, or the number that's the least, is our 6.278. And then our next number is going to be our 62.375. And then our last number is going to be 623 and 7 tenths. But we're not finished because we also have descending order. And descending order means greatest to least. And so we know that 623.7 is our largest number. We know that 62.375 is our next number. And then our smallest number is 6.278. That's how we put numbers in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. Don't forget, you line up everything based on the decimals, then you add your zeros for place value. Finally, you start on the left and move to the right so that you can tell which one is the greatest number.